Hi, this is me, Julie Dawn Cole, better known as Veruca from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, saying, I want you to watch this and I want it now!
Thank you very much. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do.
I want it now.
I think that might be one of the better.
That's why.
Oh, hello. Hi. Like your hat, man. Bookies.
Bucky!
Yeah, someone gave her a little beaver.
Oh my goodness. Did you go to the Bucky's when you were here?
Not this year. I have been. A friend of mine.
Oh, he's got Bucky too over there.
And we drove miles out of our way to go to Bucky's, and I went, why did she send me to a gas station?
I'm gonna get this with your signature.
Sure.
That would be yeah, I like that.
Would you like your name on it? Or just...
Well, no, just a signature.
Just a signature.
signature.
Yeah, just a signature. All right, ready?
Living life.
Awesome.
It was awesome.
Oh my
Huge,
goodness.
all totally built, no CG.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is
The
awesome.
river and the waterfall and the Oompa Loompas.
Was
and
the
everything all
river
there.
real chocolate? That is the question.
The river was food coloring and water, but they did put some like cocoa powder in there.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
It was, except that there was milk in the cocoa powder.
Oh.
So after days and weeks under the hot lights
Yeah.
with the milk, it was like not too cool. So they had to empty it, and then it didn't match the color of the first few shots, so they had to empty it.
Yeah.
So then they brought it back, and then it was.
That's
all
so
good.
cool.
But it was a beautiful room. Yeah.
Okay,
Which one should we do?
I don't know. I love them all. This one's epic too, right here.
Yeah. Everlasting golf.
Do you have a favorite one?
I like that one.
You like that one?
That's me.
Then
But
that's
this
gonna
one,
be it then.
Huh?
Yeah,
You want your name on there?
Just signature,
Just
straight signature.
Yeah, just signature.
Little quote. Pure imagination.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, your imagination. That'd be awesome.
Cool.
And I just gotta say, like, this movie is like a classic. Unless, like, how does it feel to be like part of like pop culture history? People are gonna be watching this movie for like 100 years
I
from
mean,
now.
it just sort of came up and came up. You know, it wasn't that popular when it first came out.
Yeah.
And then they started showing it on TV once a year only.
Okay.
And then VHS and Blu-ray and that kind of stuff. And also the whole idea of pop culture conventions and Comic-Cons and all that, like, didn't really exist. And so I kind of rode that wave up also. So yeah, it's cool.
It's definitely an achievement.
Oh yeah, I just got lucky, you know.
What do you think about that?
Got to meet them both. Yeah, it was awesome. The Tootsie Roll bag. And the Smarties. That's so cute. How much is your Tootsie Roll bag? Tootsie Roll.
What'd you get?